Hi, good day. I want to show you how to download and install MetaTrader 4 on your phone. So I'll start first by trying to, well, we're going on the Android app, Google Play. I'm going to type in MetaTrader 4 and we're going to try to install this on your phone. So you type in MetaTrader 4, click install, accept, install, and the app will install. After the app has installed, the next step is to go and look for the app. This is the app here. Click the app. And so this is where we click here, manage accounts. Here it is, we go on your accounts and manage accounts. So under the assumption that you would have gone on your broker website, FX Choice. Well, FX Choice is my broker. Under the assumption that you have gone on your broker website and you would have already registered with the broker. When you register with the broker, they'll give you well, not really a username, but a login ID and a password. You need that information to help you log in and actually stop your account. So click manage accounts. Now by default, you can create a demo account. The maximum, well, the limit for that account, the default settings for that account is 5,000 US. We're not creating an account with 5,000 US. We'll create an account that could actually, let's say, that will be on par with the size of account you'll create in real life. So if it is when you go and trade in real life, let's say we'll create an account at about $500. We are on the assumption we'll, if you trade with that small amount, when you create an account, you can create an account with about $500. You cannot do that from your phone. You have to actually go and log on to FX Choice, the broker, and you have to actually choose when to create a demo account, choose the size of your account. But I'm just showing you here in this video how to actually install the app and run the app on your phone. Here we click, log into existing account, click here. Type in FX Choice. Well, in your case, you'll type FX Choice Pro Demo, you'll click here. But I have a live account, so I will click here. But you can click here, FX Choice Pro Demo. And then you type in the login ID and the password. Make sure you click Save Password. And now you'll be inside. Click sign in and now you'll be inside. So there you have it. Here it is when you log in, we'll see all the different currency pairs to trade. Well, we can see some of the currency pairs to trade: Euro, USD, GPD, USD, USD, CHF, and so forth. You can see oil, Brent crude. You can see WTI crude, WTI crude. We can see different assets to trade. So the purpose of this video was just to show you how to log on, how to download the app MetaTrader 4 on your phone and sign in with your broker. Well, in this case here, my broker is FX Choice. So if it is you choose my broker, you can log in with FX Choice. If you choose another broker, you could log in with the other broker, whatever broker that you select.